Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. I'm doing well. Today I'm going to talk about logistic cycle. So it means logistic cycle means that where a logistic is started and finished. So let's to start it and we will talk all things about this topic. So I wish you all be careful and even pay attention to the all details included in this video. Logistic cycles. Logistic cycle is a systematic process used to plan, procure, transport, store, distribute, monitor, and manage goods and services from the point of origin to the point of consumption. Its primary objective is to ensure that the right product reach the right place at the right time in the right quantity with the right quality at the lowest possible cost. It means that in the logistic cycle, so when an item is procured, so the logistic is responsible to move and deliver the item to the final or to the consumption point. So it means that all human rights are considered in the logistics cycle. So we have already defined the logistics in our previous sessions. So today I will talk with the definition about the logistic as well. Logistic is the process of planning, implementing, controlling, and monitoring the efficient flow and storage of goods, services, and informations from supplier to the end user. So let's talk about the objectives of logistics. Number one, ensure an interrupted supply. So it means the items shall be delivered that without any delay or any interruption. Reduce operational costs. Improve customer satisfaction. Prevent stock shortage. Reduce waste and damage. Improve delivery performance. Support organizational objectives. These are the objectives of a logistics. So let's talk one by one the stages involved in a logistics cycle. The first stage of a logistic is needs assessment. What will be the purpose? Determine what items are required. It means we should determine that what items are required in the first stage of a logistic cycle. Activities involved in this stage identify user requirements, collect consumption data, analyze previous usage, estimate future demand, and prioritize essential items. Let's simplify it in an example like a hospital estimates medicines, surgical equipment, PPE, and laboratory supplies. Stage number two, planning and forecasting. In this stage, we should plan and forecast the requirement for our organization or a company. Purpose, estimate future logistic requirement. It means we will estimate the future that what will be needed in our future for our companies or organizations. Activities involved in this stage demand forecasting, supply planning, market analysis, lead time analysis, and risk assessment. These are involved in at the second stage of logistics cycle. Forecasting methods: quantitative, historical consumption, moving average, trend analysis, statistical forecasting. In qualitative, expert opinion, field assessment, project requirements. So in qualitative, expert opinion, field assessment, project requirements. These are in qualitative forecasting method. Output, what will be the output? Annual procurement plan, logistic plan, and distribution plan. Stage number three, budgeting. In this stage, we should ensure that sufficient financial resources available for our logistic requirement. What will be the activities involved in this process? So, estimate procurement costs, estimate transportation costs, warehouse expenses, insurance, custom duties, and emergency reserve. These are the activities involved in budgeting. So, cost components, product cost, freight, insurance, taxes, handling, storage, and distribution. Stage number four, procurement. So in this process stage, we should procure our logistic requirements. So the purpose will be acquire goods and services. Procurement methods. So the methods are involved in this stage are open tender, restricted tender, request for quotation or RFQ, request for proposal or RFP, single source procurement, and framework agreements. So procurement steps, we know that we have already talked about the procurement method. So the steps involved in this process is already determined, and we have already explained with the details in our previous videos. So procurement steps: purchase requisition, procurement planning, tender preparation, advertisement, bid opening, evaluation, approval, contract award, purchase order, and delivery. These are the procurement steps or procurement cycles. Stage number five, transportation. Purpose: move goods safely. It means when we procure a goods, so we should transport it to the point of consumption. Modes of transport. What modes of transport are used in this stage? Road. Advantage: flexible, door to door. Disadvantage: traffic, fuel cost. It means disadvantage will be the traffic problem and the consumption or the cost of fuel. Air. Advantage: fast, suitable for emergencies. Disadvantage: expensive. C. Advantage: cheapest for large cargo. Disadvantage: slow. Rail. Advantage: bulk cargo, reliable. Disadvantage: limited routes. Transportation documents. Bill of lading. Airway bill. What are these? So we will talk about the bill of lading and airway bill in our upcoming videos, and you are requested to follow our channel, and you will be reward these topics in our future videos and sessions. Packing list, commercial invoice, delivery note, goods receipt note, customers documents, and insurance certificate. These are the transportation documents, and we will talk it with details in our upcoming and our upcoming session and videos. In please follow our channel, and we will be aware of this and these videos in our upcoming sessions. So stage number six, receiving an inspection. When the procured items are ready and received to our origin of consumption or origin of desired place, so the technical side will be responsible to receive and inspect the procured items. Purpose: verify deliver goods. Inspection checklist: quantity, quality, specification, expiry date, batch number, packaging condition, damage, compliance with purchase order. Documents: goods receipt note, inspection report, delivery note, acceptance certificate. These documents shall be with the delivered items or goods. Stage number seven, warehousing and inventory management. Purpose: store goods safely. Warehouse activities: receiving, identification, storage, security, stock counting, packing, and dispatch. These are the warehouse activities. We all know about these activities in our procurement, or sorry, in logistic activities. Storage principles we have already defined with details the of uh, principle of storage or types of inventory. So FIFO first expired, first out, FIFO first in, first out, LIFO used only in limited accounting or operational contexts. Warehouse layout, receiving area, inspection area, storage area, cold room, hazardous area, dispatch area. So inventory card, bin cards, stock cards, inventory register, warehouse ledger, and ERP or warehouse management systems. These are the inventory records. So we should record all the inventory with this document and system. Inventory control methods, ABC analysis, class ABC and A value when there is the value is high, so the quantity will be low. In class B, if the value is medium, the quantity will be medium as well. In class C, when the value is low, the quantity will be high. VEN analysis vital, essential, non-essential. Efficient analysis fast moving, slow moving, non-moving. XYZ analysis based on demand variability. Stock levels, minimum stock, lowest acceptable inventory, maximum stock, high storage quantity. These are the inventory control methods. I think we have already talked about this methods in our previous videos in types of inventory. Reorder level, inventory level at which procurement begins. Formula, reorder level is equal average daily usage multiplied by lead time. Safety stock, extra stock maintained to prevent shortage. It means we should have stock for our force majeure situation or when the request is increased by the requester or end user. Caused by, it means the extra stock maintained by prevent shortage caused by demand fluctuation or supply delays. It means we should have backup of our stock for emergency use. Stage number 8, distribution purpose, deliver goods to the users. Distribution state, order processing, picking, packing, dispatch, transportation, delivery, confirmation. Distribution documents, waybill, delivery note, dispatch register, proof of delivery. Stage number 9, end user. The financial customer receives the product. Example, hospital, health center, warehouse, NGOs, ONGOs, private companies, or something. NGO office, construction site. Stage number 10, sorry. Monitoring and evaluation. Purpose, measure logistic performance. KPI, on-time delivery, inventory accuracy, order fill rate, stock out rate, warehouse utilization, and inventory turnover. These are the KPIs involved in our procurement cycles. Formula, deliveries on time divided by total deliveries multiplied by 100. Correct inventory records divided by total records multiplied by 100. Order fulfilled divided by order received multiplied by 100. Stock minus out the days divided by total days multiplied by 100. Use space divided by total space multiplied by 100. Cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. These are the formula involved in logistics cycle. Stage number 11, reporting and continuous improvement. Report, inventory report, procurement report, distribution report, transport report, asset report, KPI dashboard, exception report, continuous improvement, root cause analysis, corrective actions, tough training, supplier performance review, process optimization. These are the reports and in continuous improvement involved in stage number 11. Cross-cutting function. These activities support every stage of the logistics cycle. Number one, risk management, quality assurance, compliance, information management, health, safety and security, sustainability, ethics and anti-corruption, supply relationship management. So these are the cross-cutting function involved in the stage of 11. Logistic Information System or LIS. A logistic information system provides accurate and timely data for decision making. We have already talked about this, the system or ERPs or maybe some Excel sheet that the information shall be correct in logistic, procurement, warehouse, inventory, or anything that need the ERP or LIS. A logistic information system provide accurate and timely data for decision making. Main component: demand data, stock data, procurement data, distribution data, transportation data, supplier performance, warehouse performance, and reporting dashboard. Benefits include better forecasting, improved inventory visibility, faster decision making, and reduced stock outs. So common logistic challenges. There are many challenges in logistic. Stock shortage. This is a very common issue in logistics. Overstocking. This is as well when we increase the number of available stock beyond our demand. Long supply lead times. So the delay in delivery by the supplier or vendor. Poor demand forecasting, when there is the poor demand, like when we demand forecast something that it's not our requirements, but it has already been forecasted. So we should prevent this issue and to be prevented the poor demand forecasting. Transportation delays, so the problem in our transporting during the delivery. Custom clearance issue. This is a very big challenges during the delivery or shipping the goods from one country to another country. The custom clearance issue is very big challenges in logistics. Demand goods, limited warehouse capacity, inaccurate inventory records, and budget constraints. So we have talked already about the rights of logistics. So we will talk again. Number one, the right product in the right quantity, in the right condition, to the right place at the right time, to the right customer, and at the right cost. These seven R's or rights are the rights of logistics. So every logistic professional should be aware about these rights. So thank you very much for watching. So hope you are all aware of this topic. So please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos and be and be in touching with us for our upcoming videos. May God bless all of you and be safe. Bye bye.